Identity theft. Yes, this just happened. I woke up Saturday morning to one of my very good friends completely in a panic saying, "Oh my gosh, Kelly, I just got a call and somebody has stolen my identity." I mean, first of all, my heart just sank. And secondly, I'm like, okay, let's chunk this down. Tell me exactly what happened. Well, it was a phone call from somebody identifying that his credit had been hacked and his identity stolen. But the first thing to know is you need to go back to the resource and you need to verify it yourself, because there are so many scams out there. And all of these people that are wanting us to react in the moment with the emotion and the fear to give them what they want, which is ultimately our personal information so they can go do things like hack credit. So my advice to my friend Daryl was, first of all, go to annualcreditreport.com. Make sure it's that website, because there's a lot of knockoffs on it. That's the website that the three major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, must give each of us once per year a copy of our credit report for free. Use that to determine, is all that credit yours? Do you know what's going on? Has there been any new credit that you're not aware of? That's going to give you the insight and the comfort of knowing exactly what's on your credit report. Secondly, though, and this is really important, most people don't know that we can freeze our credit from anybody else having access to it. And it's what I've done. I've done it for years. Is it a pain in the rear end? Yeah, because anytime I go to apply for credit, I have to stop, I have to remember, I have to have my password, I have to go back into the credit bureaus and unfreeze them. I do it for a period of time to allow the creditor to then pull my credit, and then it refreezes. It is ultimately the only way we can protect our credit profiles and our identity from being stolen, because it shuts down anybody from stealing our identity and our credit profiles. So if you've not frozen your credit, I highly recommend you do. Now, if you're going through the home loan process, guess what? We're going to have you unfreeze your credit for a period of time. That could be a day or two or whatever the lender tells you. It allows us to pull your credit, and then you can reset to have that credit refrozen. Towards the end of the home loan process, the lender may need you to unfreeze it again just to do the updated credit check, which is fine. Again, it is well worth the hassle if there is one, because it's a few extra steps, because it brings security and confidence in knowing that your credit is protected. And so that's why I personally have frozen my credit for years, and I highly recommend you do it. I don't know about you guys, but I see all over the internet and the news about all of this identity theft and credit scams and scary things happening by the bad people. Well, this is one thing we can do to protect ourselves. If you're going through the home loan process, don't hesitate to reach out, even if it's with another lender. If you want to have that strategic guidance and insight all about credit, because it really does matter, whether identity theft is in your past or not, but maybe you just have general questions about how credit works. Many people don't know that when you go through the home loan pre-qualification process, the credit reports that home loan lenders pull are completely different version of what you might see when you go online to pull your own credit report or access your own credit score. So more on that to follow, but we are here to help guide you through the home loan process. Click the link below to schedule a personalized consultation with a KellyZtilowGroup mortgage advisor, and we'd be happy to walk you through all things credit as it relates to your home loan pre-qualification. Now stick around for my next video about the top 5 credit myths. I know, this credit stuff is juicy. There's all kinds of stuff out there. We'll see you soon.